Watch up. Hey guys, sorry, I had to take a call from, oh no, oh balls, yep. So, I had to take a call, so, anyway, here's the 37th part, I think. It should be by now, anyway. So this is when we're going to comfort Hagrid in his time of need, basically. And off we go. Oh, balls, I do not want to call an ambulance. That's really annoying on phones, the way there's an emergency call. Let's go. Wait, one sec. This is a different kind of count. So, I only have 39, I had like 70 on the other one. Sorry about the lousy running. Oh, failed. Oh, wrong way. I'm texting. And, it's hard to text and do a commentary at the same time. And play the game for that matter. Not 5. I do not want to send the message to 5. Fantastic. Oh, wait, no. I can just do an outbox. Yeah, you just keep watching there, I'll do this. What? They don't kill Buckbeak. What? What is going on? This is nothing like the movie or the book. What the Oh my god. I just sent the message to 2. So anyway, we're in the Shrieking Shack now. And I'm texting, and this is a really bad time to text. Oh my god, why would there be red caps here? Oh yeah, I forgot that my spells were more powerful now. And I'm only missing 4 cards on this account, so it's a big difference, but you know. I'm not bothered to set Carpe Refractum. You easy twat. You dipshit. Finally. And there's another one. Thanks a million, guys. Alright, sorry. What? How is this guy still alive? Now I have to drink some. And I don't have any. Alright. Awesome. I can't believe we're done, guys. Oh, Jesus, I wasn't aware. Ah! Alright, Hermione's dead. What? Yep. Nope, she's alright. I'm sorry. I have snuffly fours as well on this account, so. Ah, no. Oh no. Whoa. I'm just thinking. Alright, well, this is the end of this part. Come back for the second half. And Hermione's teabag on the ground. Alright, see you.